Okay, let's go for some trade examples. If you look with me here, you see this indicator is here, and you see the Bollingers still have this. I think everybody knows they get narrow and they get wild, they get narrow and they get wild all the time. And my method is based on getting into the market when they are narrow, and especially when the three Bollinger's lines are over my main indicator. So I just look for, if they are over, so I look for a sell, and if they are under, I look for a buy. And if you look here, I looked at, for example, this day here, these days, I mean, I could have sold, but I didn't. Actually, I didn't take that trade. Yeah, well, actually I did that one. I did. So if you look, they are over the three, and you see the price is under the main indicator here. You see these two blue, red and blue, they are under, and the trend bars are red. They are indicating a downtrend. So I just, at that day here, exactly when you see the midline here, when my first, after, when all these conditions are here, my first bar that finished closed, and it's under this line, it's outside this line here, it's under. So that day here, when it closed in this day, I see here it's under, here it's red, so, and you see it's clearly, it didn't touch that line at all. So, and that day here I just sold and I got 619 pips, and my stop loss was in the line, at that line exactly, the middle line of the Bollingers. So it's 149 stop loss, and I got 600, so which is very good ratio. So if we go a little bit further in this pair here, here again it was getting narrow, but I didn't take a trade. Why? Simply because my indicator was inside. The main indicator was here inside the Bollinger, so I don't take any trade. I waited till that day here, everything was out, and if you see this day, this was red here, and this here get down under the red and the blue, and the close of this day, and you see it's outside. So at the close of this day here, I just sold, and I got 1050 pips for a stop loss of 238, which is a very good trade. If we go here again, it's another trade. Actually, it's here. You see, it's narrow, over, clearly over, red. This one, these two here are under. So at that day here, it was outside. Didn't touch this line here. It's this day here. So at that day, I sold, and I get 872 pips for 200 risk, which is 4 times, which is very good trade. So let's move on and see some other trades in some other pairs.